The COVID-19 pandemic has swept the globe and changed life as we know it. But did you know the viral particle itself is 5,000 times smaller than a grain of salt? So how can something so small affect the lives of millions across the entire world? First, let's look into viruses themselves. A virus is a non-living, microscopic parasite that requires a host to reproduce. A virus is composed of a nucleic acid core surrounded by an outer casing called capsid. Some viruses, including COVID-19, have a secondary protective layer known as the envelope. The core consists of a single or double strand of DNA or RNA. COVID-19, for example, is a single-strand RNA virus. This strand of genetic information makes up the virus's genome. However, for viruses to infect their host, they must first enter the body somehow. In humans, viruses are mostly transmitted through airborne droplets. These droplets move through the air as shown in the following video. When person A, who is infected, coughs or sneezes, those droplets could travel up to 6 feet from the infected person. Then person B may inhale those droplets, or if the droplets land on a surface, person B may pick them up from said surface and become infected from it that way. Once inside the body, viruses will begin by binding to specific receptors on host cells, using proteins on the envelope known as spike proteins. Then, depending on the virus, it may be engulfed by the cell, pass into the cell, or like COVID-19, fuse with the cell membrane and then be pushed into the cell. Then it will release its genome into the cell, which will direct it to create new viral proteins. Once they are complete and capable of infection, they're known as virions. Then the virions are released from the host cell, which dies, and they spread through the body, repeating the process as they go. And they spread quickly. A single infected cell may release hundreds to thousands of viral proteins to the host organism. This is why viruses like the novel coronavirus are so dangerous to organisms like you and me. Since the virus leaves behind dead cells, as it spreads, it has the ability to destroy tissue, causing symptoms such as coughing and shortness of breath. The virus even has the ability to destroy a healthy person's lungs. So therefore, although the coronavirus may be physically small, its impact on our world is not.